Okay, you go to the Home Depot website, type in Ryobi up there. I've already got it down here, so I just click on it. You go to your power tool combo kits. Click on that. And scroll down. Okay, you come to this kit right here. This is a good kit for $129, but you can get a free tool with it. But I'll show you how you can get this whole kit plus another light for $99. And I can't take full credit for this. I seen this on a fellow YouTuber that goes by Tool Boss. I'll put a link down below in the comment section. Okay, so what you do is click on this, click on that, and it comes out $129. You know, they're brushed tools, but it's still, you know, you get 2 batteries, charger, light, drill, saw, bag. It's a 4-amp battery right there. I mean, the batteries alone come up to probably $100. And with the charger, and right here you get buy one get one free. You can get a free tool. If you want to get a free tool, you could get a free tool and pay the $129. But if you want to get this set down to $99, you hit the buy one get one free. And see, you can pick any of these tools. I don't know what this with battery one would do. It's a 2-amp. You could try that later. But I mean, you can play with these tools and see what kind of prices you get. But if you press and take this light, so select item. Okay, up here it'll say success. So add both to cart. And look at that, you get a price of $99. You get all these tools plus the light for 99 bucks. That's a pretty good deal. A real good deal. If you're, if you're just starting off, this is good for the do-it-yourselfer. Like I said, they're brushed tools. If you're going to use these tools all the time, you get Milwaukee or DeWalt or something. All right, so we'll click off of here. We'll take everything out of the cart. So let's see. We'll X that out. And let's hit the back button up there. Okay, we got the 2 items in the cart, so I want to get those out of there right now. Okay, we'll hit remove right here. And we'll remove this too. And we'll pretend we're starting all over again. Hit the back button. Okay, we're back to Ryobi. Scroll down to where those tools were. And maybe some of these other tools do it too. I don't know. I mean, there's other combos here too. I don't know about that one if it would do it. You can play around with this to find out. Where's the one I was looking for? This is the one right here. So click on this one. I wonder if you add the battery, I wonder what it would come up to. If it would bring it down or not. Let's check. Let's click on the battery. Okay, it says success. So I'll hit add both to cart. See, it comes out to $129. It seems like the only thing that makes it drops it down is the light. But, you get this whole set right here. It's a lot of stuff. And plus a light for $99. Instead of paying the $129. Yeah, seems like a pretty good deal. So if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Thanks for watching. Take care. And check out the Tool Boss's website.